Is algebra turning your life into a nightmare? Drowning in equations? Feeling lost in a sea of variables? What if I told you you could conquer algebra in just 90 minutes? Introducing Algebra for Success. Ace your class in 90 minutes, the video course that will transform you from algebra phobic to equation master. Learn from Guy Levy, a passionate educator who breaks down even the toughest algebra topics into bite-sized, easy-to-understand chunks. Short, focused lessons. Each video is under 10 minutes, ensuring quick and efficient learning. Proven method. Benefit from a structured and proven approach that maximizes understanding and success. Quizzes and cheat sheets. Track your progress and stay organized with helpful study aids. Tips. Explore additional insights through our collection of valuable tips to enhance your learning experience. With Algebra for Success, you'll no longer fear the unknown. You'll have the confidence and skills to ace your class, impress your teachers, and unlock your full potential in math. Don't wait. Enroll in Algebra for Success today and ace your class.